Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we'll have a short introduction about margins that you can have space around elements. So let's dive into the code. Alright everybody, so let's have a pair of text here. It should be a bit short. Now if you refresh the page, you see that there is a space here, although it should stick to this border, it should stick here, but you see there is a little space here. Or if I come to inspect, what is inspect? It is called the developer tools as well. It is used for finding any error or working on responsive websites. So we will talk more about it in the future, but now I want to show you what is a margin. If you just click on the element that you want to see the information, so for example the first one is code start, and it gives you the information of this element. You see there is a border like a yellow or orange border space actually outside of this. That is called margin. It is let's come back here. Margin is a space around the element. Around this element outside of the border is called margin. So by default it has this margin. So if we come in our style.css targeting our body, we say that margin should be 0 pixel, or only 0 is also working. Now refresh the page. You see that these two elements are stick to the borders. You see if I even increase it, you do not have any space anymore here on the left side. So this is called margin. Give it the name of box 1, box 2. So first of all, I want to target the div element. So I will give it border, and let us give it a width of maybe 25 pixel. It is very less, so let's make it bigger, 150 pixel. Yeah, and we will have it for the height as well. Or you can give it a background color of maybe blue, light blue. So now we have two boxes here, and we want to have margin we want to apply some margins around these two boxes. So first of all I write box 1, and I want to have margin top. We have margin top, bottom, left and right. So margin top, if I give it 4 pixel, you see that here is about 4 pixel gap between this element and the top. So if you increase the number, so you will have a lot of margins here. But if I give it maybe margin right, so although margin right, if you give even 50 pixel, you will not see the result here because it is already stick to the left. So if you give the right margin, it exists here, the margin, but you do not see it. So if I give it margin left, maybe 40 pixel, and you will see we have margin bottom maybe 30 pixel. So now you see we have this box, the space around it, which we defined by margin, and you can apply one margin as well. So if you write margin and you write it maybe 10 pixel, so it will give 10 pixel, the same amount for right, bottom, left and top for all of them. Also we have margin auto. So if you want to have this box on the right side, we say margin left is gonna be auto. refreshing the page. Now it sticks to the right. If you increase your web browser the width, so again there is no changes, it is on the right because margin left is auto. So I give margin auto. From all the angles it's gonna be auto. So even if you increase your width of browser, again it is gonna be in the center. Yeah, it was all about the margin. I hope you enjoyed today's short lesson. See you in the next video.